All right, our next class is the panels. So over here we have the commercial power, which is from right out of the meter. And then we have our solar panel, electrical panel, the breaker box. So this is what all the stuff I have in my breaker, my solar system, okay? It's every outlet in my house, every light in my house, the well, the hot tub, 7 wall cadet heaters. I'm sure there's other stuff in here I'm missing. But anyway, there's a lot of stuff in this that this bad boy runs all day long. My commercial power panel has the dryer. That's a spare. Those are wall heaters. Those are wall heaters. So that's the dryer. Oh, that's the line that feeds back to the charger for this. And the range, that's a spare. That is the dishwasher. That's all that's running on my commercial power. Okay, so but this 100 amp right here, that's what feeds over for the charger in this to charge the batteries. So when you do a solar system, an off-grid or a hybrid system, you're going to want to put in a sub panel. So you're going to come out of your inverter right here. These are the outputs. That's 110 volts. That's 110 volts. That's my neutral. This is a chassis ground. These over here on this side, those are the inputs out of the commercial power, okay? Those are coming here. It's just a 110, a 110. You notice there's no neutral here coming input, just the ground, which is all these grounds are tied to one ground, main ground rod, bus bar kind of thing. So this is the input. This is the output. The system will build or create its neutral, okay? So here's your neutral. So you do not want to run a neutral out of your commercial power into this. Just the 2 legs of hot for my panel, okay? 240 volt system. So this is the outputs going into this, the main breaker, the surge protector protecting it, and then all the stuff I have in it. So you're going to want to, there's videos in here of how we moved wires from this panel into this panel. But anyway, so if you're going to put in a hybrid system or a off-grid system, that's how you do it. Or I guess in a off-grid, you wouldn't have commercial power. But if you're going to do a hybrid system, you're going to need a secondary panel, a sub panel. So guys, I think that's about it for our class right now. I think we got everything covered. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.